This is the HP DeskJet 2755e printer. It is an all-in-one printer and it is also a HP Plus printer where you get 1 year extra HP warranty and 6 months of free ink. So we're going to unbox this printer and set it up and connect it to a wireless network. This will be done using an Android phone. So this is how it looks like once you open out the box. First, you've got the setup guide, and there are 3 steps to setting it up. Next, you've got the warranty statement, followed by the HP ink cartridge flyer, and then the reference and support guide for this printer series. Finally, you've got the HP Instant Ink flyer where it shows some of the print plans. And in this box over here, you can see the cutout for an ink drop as well as the power cable. So let's remove those. Sliding it out. So it's got a set of ink cartridges. Instant Ink Ready number 67. And this is the power cord. Next, let us remove the printer from the box. You can see that it is shrink wrapped. So place the printer on its side and you can actually pull out the printer and remove it from the box. Let's remove the plastic wrapping. Next, let us remove the tapes. So remember to remove this piece of cardboard from the carriage area. Next, let us insert the power cord into the printer and then power it on. So the area to plug the power cord is at the back of the printer. So plug one end of the power cord into the wall socket, and with the other end, plug it into the printer power socket over here. Turn on the power at the wall socket and then power on the printer by pressing the power button located over here. The printer will now power up. Next, from the setup poster, we're supposed to install HP Smart App and use it to set up the printer. So let's do that.
Start up HP Smart on our Android phone. If you need the app, simply go to the Play Store and download HP Smart. Welcome to HP Smart. Let's accept all. We can set up a new printer, sign in, or skip for now. So we'll suggest that you do a sign in and to create an HP account if you do not have one. So let's sign in. So let's create an account by tapping on Sign Up. Create your HP account. Let's add our first printer. While it's searching for printers, simply tap on Add Printer. We allow location permission. It has found our printer. Select that. Key in the Wi-Fi password for Technology Tips Network. Once the password is keyed in, let's continue. Let's press the flashing information button on our printer. You can see on the printer that once the Wi-Fi is connected to the network, the LED is solid. Let's continue. Connected printing services. Let's accept all. Activate HP Plus to get the following benefits: 6 free months of Instant Ink, an additional year of HP warranty, and 2 years of free access to advanced scanning features in the HP Smart App. Let's continue. Let's activate HP Plus. Let's enroll in HP Instant Ink. We need to do that in order to get the 6 months of free ink. Let's continue. So you can view plans, and these are the plans available. We'll select the 50 pages per month and select plan. Let's add shipping. Once you added the shipping information, select Save. Finally, let's add billing. So you can see that you have 6 redeem months plus credits. Let's show details. So it's a free trial for 6 months. Let's check out. Let's enroll. Your ink is on its way. Let's continue. Let's load paper. You can follow the guides on the HP Smart App as shown. So let's pull up to review the paper tray and slide open the guides. Remember to slide the guides to the left. Then load paper as shown. Use the guide as well. Once the paper is loaded, tap on Continue. Time to install ink. Let's open the ink door. This is the outer door. And over here is where you have the ink door. Open it. So these are the set of cartridges that come with the printer. Let's remove the packaging. There's a tab over here. Pull off using the orange pull tab. Do not touch the contacts or even the nozzles. Do the same for the black cartridge. Push it in until you hear a click. Close the ink door. The ink is installed. Let's continue. So our setup is complete. We'll skip printing the document. For this, print from other devices, we'll select Not Right Now. We'll close this dialog box. And this is the dashboard of the HP Smart App. And so this is how you unbox, set up, load paper and ink cartridges, activate HP Plus and enroll in a HP Instant Ink for your HP DeskJet 2755e printer. The next step will show you how to do an alignment page.